Hi, I'm Aditi. I run an interior and architecture design studio in Pune called Aditi Lavate Design. Today, I'm so excited to show you Casa Vistosa, one of our most vibrant projects. Come on in. This home belongs to Rashid Khan, one of India's top professional golfers. Our goal was very simple, to create a space that feels like home for him since he travels most of the year. We wanted to create a space that has a lot of personality, that is full of soul and is extremely vibrant, quite the opposite of a typical hotel room. We wanted to design a space that reflects who he is, not just as an athlete but as a person. So let's take a look. As you step in, this foyer sets the tone. One of Rashid's only requests was that we design a space to show his achievements. That's why we've designed this oak panelled wall with these black matte floating shelves. It's extremely sleek, it's very subtle, and it's a very personal, warm welcome as one enters into the space. This living room shows everything that we love to do at our studio. There's a lot of thoughtful layering, storytelling, and a mix of old and new. You'll see these rattan accents, you'll see matte black here and there, and pops of blue as well. And everything is very well tied together by this patterned flooring that we have running through all the common spaces. It's in the living, it's in the dining, it's in the kitchen, and also in this TV den that we have over here. The home has a very tropical vibe to it. We have plenty of color, we have plenty of textures. The decor that we have in this house is a mix of a lot of different types of pieces. We have these antique pieces that we have handpicked and refurbished. We have some new accents. We have some custom designed furniture specially made for this space. It's a mix of a lot of different elements. We wanted to give the space a tropical feel. We wanted it to feel like he's stepping into a vacation every time he came to this space. Here we have this sofa that we've put in this corner. It's in a powder blue finish. Then we have this bone inlaid center table. This is the perfect spot for friends to come in, for him to unwind and just read a book casually when he's here. Here we have the dining. It's a perfect spot for a cozy, intimate dinner under these rattan lights. We got these customized exactly as we wanted. We wanted these two lights to come as a highlight above this table. We've added a little bit of jute within them so that it gives a very delicate, soft, diffused sort of light. We have mirrors throughout the space as well. This house is not very well lit. We wanted to bring in as much light as possible by using mirrors, by using light colors and bright colors here and there. You won't believe it, but this area was originally a bedroom. We have converted it into a TV den that also doubles up as a guest room when needed. We have divided the TV den and the living room with this sliding folding door that we've designed. It's a wooden frame in a matte black finish. We have this arch detailing running across. This is for continuity and so that there's flow in the design. This can easily be closed when needed and then the space gets separated into two. We also have blinds that come down. There are these sleek roller blinds that can be pulled down when needed after the door is closed. Here we have a custom sofa. It's a sofa cum bed that can be opened up so that this becomes a proper usable bedroom when needed. We have this customized table. It's a live edge wooden table. It's a shisham wood table. We have resin detailing done on it. The chair that I'm sitting on is the favorite spot in this house. Every guest that comes here loves to sit on this chair. It's got this beautiful white boucle fabric. For this room, we picked out accents from a brand called Riha. We have this sabai grass mat in the center. We have a small tray over here. And we also have these pretty Kaju Katli motif cushions that are on this chair. Here we have a TV unit with a large TV. This part doubles up as a bar when there are guests around. Inside this, we have a lot of storage that's provided. It's sort of like a concealed bar that can only be seen when needed. We've enclosed the kitchen to match the client's lifestyle. We have this sliding door with fluted glass that blocks the view completely. We have continued this arch design that we've used in the rest of the house as well. At our studio, we love repeating these tiny design details throughout the space so that there's continuity in the design. Come on, let me show you the kitchen now. This is the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of any home, and we've designed it to be 100% functional while still being very beautiful. We have continued the same colors in this space as well. The entire lower cabinets are designed in a powder blue color. We have accents of oak wood on top. The counter is plain white. This makes the kitchen seem much larger. We've continued with white backsplash tiles in a subway format. We have little black matte accents here and there, like these handles that we've done. Even the crockery has been picked out to match the blues throughout the space. This is the master bedroom. This continues the same palette as the rest of the house with a slight bit of elevation. This is a 4-poster bed. It's a modern version of a 4-poster bed actually. We've designed it with a lot of details and we got it custom made. You can see that we have designed these posters in a very contemporary style. There's just a little bit of carving that we've added in here and there. We've continued with a similar patterned flooring, just in a slightly different design. We have these really lovely block printed beddings that we've used. We've tried to add a little bit of color with the help of furnishings in this room. We have these gorgeous curtains. These are customized from Riha. This is block printing that you see again with natural dyes. This has this traveler palm motif with a black and white border detail. We have a mirror and we have this piece behind the bed. It's a very antique piece that we found and we got it refurbished to match this room. It fits in so well behind the headboard and it totally elevates the look. We've continued with the rattan element of design in this space as well. We have these lamps. We wanted the lamps to be something that give a dramatic effect at night. So when the rest of the lights are off and only these lights are on, it creates a very nice dramatic feel to the room. On the other side of the room, we have wardrobes. These are full height wardrobes. We've tried to make the most of every inch of space that we have in this room. Here we did not want to add too much color. We've continued with a white that sort of merges into the wall. We have cane accents. So we have these cane panels that are within glass, so it's completely dust proof as well. The accent color that we've chosen for this room is gold. The wardrobe handles, the small little handles that you see here and there for the bedside table drawers, all are with a gold hint. Now I'll show you the guest room. Come. This is my favorite room in this house. It's the guest bedroom. Here we've gone a little bit bolder. Ink blue, rattan, greens and white accents. That's our palette for this room. This is an ink blue bed that we got customized again. There are matching side tables on either side. We tried to make the most of this room as well when it comes to storage. We have very smartly added a storage below the bed. It's a drawer pull-out storage, but we have shifted it in slightly so that it's not visible at first glance. But the entire space under the bed has been used by creating a pull-out drawer storage. When we first stepped into this room had absolutely no sunlight at all. Whether it's morning or evening or afternoon, there's just no sunlight. So we thought the best thing we could do was add a lot of color and give it the brightness that this room deserves. Here again we have beautiful hand block printed bedding. This is also in a blue color with little red accents. It has this flower motif. At the back we have a piece that we picked out from an antique furniture market. We have a carved mirror on this one side. We have natural plants in this room as well. On the opposite side of the bed, we have a chest of drawers that we've designed. We have intentionally kept the height of this low, so when there are guests, they can open their suitcases on this. Above this chest, we have a painting by the artist Madhuri Bhaduri. This painting was gifted to our client Rashid by her. This was actually the starting point when we decided the palette for this room. You can see that it's a beautiful image of a lake which sort of merges into the sky. The blues and the greens from this have inspired us for the palette of this room. The curtains that we put in here have a really beautiful blue flower detail. These are customized from Riha as well. Again, the same oak color has been continued throughout the room. This room already had an inbuilt wardrobe next to the door. We decided to use the same blue laminate that we've used in the kitchen for this wardrobe so that it blends in without standing out too much. So that was Casa Vistosa, a home that's full of personality, color and a lot of comfort. It's designed for someone who's constantly on the move. At Aditi Lavate Design, we believe that a home should reflect you as a person and not just follow trends. So if you're looking to get your home done wherever you are, I'd love to help you bring your vision to life. And if you loved this home tour, don't forget to subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter.